So now what is the order of acidic character? This is clear. Aromatic acid, more acidic than aliphatic acid except formic acid. Okay. So now after that you can see so many. Okay. So as the minus I effect increases, acidic character increases because of increase of polarity of OH bond. So easily release H plus ion, and also the conjugate base more stabilize. Okay. So if you know this concept, that means how the acidic character increases and what is the reason for that, you can solve any question or you can arrange any order also. Okay, suppose I am giving question, you can see. Okay, first, if I'll ask you what is the order of acidic character? Formic acid, acetic acid, that is ethanoic acid, propanoic acid. Tell me the order. Okay, sorry. What is the order of acidic character? Which one is more acidic? Always formic acid, then ethanoic acid, then propanoic acid. Reason is clear. What is the reason for this? Because it is which effect?
Plus I.
And it has more plus I effect. Okay. So why plus I effect decreases? I just showed these two comparison only. Suppose I'm showing this one. So its conjugate base, that is what? CS3 COO minus. Okay, it is electron donating group. It is donating electrons. So this polarity is decreases and difficult to break the bond to release H plus ion. And secondly, its conjugate base, that is this. जब H plus release हो रहा है, तो this is conjugate base. And conjugate base also less stabilized. Why it is less stabilized? Because this CS3 group is what? Electron donating group. Electron donate कर रहा है. And this electron is dispersed over oxygen. Oxygen having already negative charge. और किसी भी नेगेटिव पे जब नेगेटिव आता है तो क्या होता है? अट्रैक्शन की रिपल्शन and due to repulsion it's less stabilized, and when conjugate base less stabilized, less acidic. ठीक है, यहाँ पे और भी लेस स्टेबलाइज होगा बिकॉज इसका प्लस आई इफेक्ट, इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग इफेक्ट और भी ज्यादा डोमिनेंट है, और इस केस में देयर इज अ नो प्लस आई इफेक्ट. ओके, एज यू कैन सी HCO माइनस. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द रीजन इट इज मोर स्टेबलाइज. Okay, see the next example. If I'll ask what is the order of acidic character? In ethanoic acid and chloroethanoic acid, or we can say chloroacetic acid, which one is more acidic? Acetic acid or chloroacetic acid? Or trichloroacetic acid? This is the order of acidic character. Why? Because here is only plus effect, और यहाँ पे क्या आ गया? That is which effect?
Minus I effect.
And in this case, you can see there's a one minus I effect. In this case, how many minus I effect? ज़्यादा हो गया? How many minus I effect? There's a 1Cl, 2Cl, 3Cl. So there's a more minus I effect. And as
Minus
minus
I
I effect
effect.
increases,
No.
so this is minus I effect, more minus I effect. So what happens? Okay, just I have shown this conjugate base. What is conjugate base? CS3 COO minus. It is less stabilized because it is electron donating group, so electronic repulsion occur. So this conjugate base less stabilized. But in this case, you can see this Cl is electron withdrawing in nature, so it stabilizes its conjugate base. Now अब ये तो इलेक्ट्रॉन को withdraw कर रहा अपनी तरफ. Okay, so this negative charge is going towards Cl side. Okay, तो ये stabilize हो रहा है. In this case, there is a more electron withdrawing group, so the conjugate base more and more stabilize. Okay, so any acid will be stronger acid that depends on minus I effect, and due to minus I effect, the conjugate base will be more stabilized. And if conjugate base more stabilized, more acidic in nature. Okay. So if concept is clear, then you can solve any question. Okay. Now I'm not giving the reasoning, only you have to arrange. Okay, okay, in case
मैम
of
एक सेकंड
halogens,
बैक कर दोगे मैम, एक सेकंड बैक कर दोगे.
even in this case या तो और भी ज्यादा withdraw कर रहा है. Okay, withdrawing this side, one more withdraw this side, one more withdraw this side. So there's a 3 electron withdrawing group. Should I go ahead? Written all of you?
Yes ma'am.
You tell me, in fluoro, suppose there is a fluoroacetic acid, chloroacetic acid, and bromoacetic acid, and iodo also. Chalo, iodo I'm not writing. What is the order of acidic character? यहाँ पे कौन सबसे strong acid होगा?
मैम फ्लोरो फ्लोरो फिर क्लोरो
Correct.
फिर ब्रोमो.
Why? Because it is more electro.
क्योंकि फ्लोरो मोर नेगेटिव, इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव
Negative, so
ज्यादा
more
होता है.
minus I effect. Okay, so more minus I effect rather than Cl rather than Br. Correct. और उसके बाद वो common point you can write everywhere. Okay. Now I'm giving another. This is chloropropanoic acid. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4 butanoic acid. Okay, वो देख लेना किस पोजीशन पे है. This is this, and one more. Now tell me, what is the order of acidic character? In all cases, one Cl is only. So now what is the order of acidic character?
मैम जो स्टेट चेन वाला है वो ज्यादा एसिडिक होगा.
So this is the order of acidic character. Why? Why this one is the most acidic, then this? Because in all cases, Cl is there, one Cl is there, one electron withdrawing is there. Here is one Cl, this is also one Cl, here is also one Cl. Still, this is more acidic, most acidic. Why? Because Cl is closer to carboxylic group. And if any minus I effect is closer to, अगर ये इसके पास है तो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन इसका withdraw जल्दी करेगा. And hence easily release H plus ion and conjugate base also stabilize. So this is distance. As minus I effect more closer to carboxylic acid, तो it will show more minus I effect. तो इसका minus I effect इनके respect में सबसे ज्यादा effect होगा because it is closer to carboxylic acid, distance की वजह से. Is it clear? So any minus I effect closer to the carboxylic acid, that will be stronger acid. As the distance increases, decreases acidic nature. ठीक है?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. I take some aromatic also. You tell me in benzoic acid, para-nitrobenzoic acid, and paramethyl benzoic acid. What is the order of acidic character? It's clear to all of you which one is stronger acid among all these three. ये कौन सा इफेक्ट शो कर रहा है?
Night.
This is showing.
Minus I.
And
Minus
this
I.
is.
Plus I.
So which one is more acidic?
NO2 वाला फिर benzoic acid और फिर लास्ट में CH3 वाला है.
It is C. Okay. So which one is a stronger acid? Nitro.
B
Then?
B A C.
Yeah,
B
and the
A
base
C.
will be C because it has the minus I effect and it has the plus I effect. As minus I effect increases, plus I effect decreases. Okay. So you can compare any acid order of acidic character. If you know the concept, you can easily do it. And the last, if I ask you in phenol, already we have discussed in chapter phenol also. If I ask in phenol and carboxylic acid, which is stronger acid? How to distinguish? First, how to distinguish? Tell me how to distinguish both. By adding sodium carbonate, which is not given by phenol, but given by carboxylic acid by brisk effervescence. Okay. And this also shows it is stronger acid. But in terms of reasoning, how you can show, how you can prove that phenol is weaker acid than carboxylic acid. So basically, when we discuss anything, then we discuss about its conjugate base. Okay, what is the conjugate base of phenol? Phenoxide ion. And this phenoxide ion stabilized by 5 resonance. But these 5 resonance are what? Equivalent or non-equivalent? These 5 resonance are non-equivalent. Okay, 2 more also. Okay, and what is the conjugate base of carboxylic acid? Carboxylate ion. Okay, and you know this carboxylate ion stabilized by only 2 resonance but equivalent resonance. Okay, so why phenol is weaker acid? So in this case, what we say कि carboxylic acid is stronger acid than phenol. The reason is because the phenol conjugate base less stabilized due to non-equivalent resonance, and also the negative charge delocalized to electronegative oxygen atom and less electronegative carbon atom also. While in the case of carboxylic acid, the conjugate base stabilized by 2 equivalent resonance. They show the non-equivalent resonance and non-equivalent less stabilized. And here, equivalent resonance, which is more stabilized. And secondly, the negative charge is present oxygen के साथ साथ carbon पे भी जा रहा है. While in this case, the negative charge is always present at electronegative oxygen पे. Oxygen पे है, यहाँ भी oxygen पे है. So negative atom पे ही है, so this is more stabilized. And this is the reason it is more acidic in nature. Okay. So I hope the chapter is cleared and chapter is completed even also. Is it clear to all of you?